Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,